You promised me love and marriage. David, we're engaged. And you even slept with a girl you made me believe you have nothing to do with anymore. Okay, fine. David, if there's anything at all I did, I'm sorry, please.
What's going on? Calm down now.
I'm sorry, please.
You didn't do anything to me.
So what is it?
It's not about you. It's me. I'm not, how do I put this? I'm not just a one-woman guy.
David, we can pray about it. Please, I beg you. Let's just trust God. Please.
I'm tired. Are you not tired? I can't be with one woman.
What about the promises you made to me? You promised me. You followed me to church. You said you were born again. Evangelism. We preaching together. We did everything together.
Now the lampa now. Now so now the game. You go guys do am until you enter the zanga. Once you enter the zanga like that,
Jesus.
it's all over.